You are in a quiet meeting or a library, and you feel a massive sneeze coming. Your nose tingles, your eyes water, and you are about to explode. Do not pinch your nose. That can damage your ears. Instead, press your tongue as hard as you can against the back of your two front teeth. Why? It sends a confusing signal to your brain. The sneeze reflex is just a signal overload. By introducing a new, strong sensation in the same area, the roof of your mouth, you short-circuit the sneeze reflex. The urge will disappear instantly, saving you from embarrassment and keeping the room silent. Biology is weird, but it works.